everyone, it's Kristen. Welcome back for another video. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to be sharing with you an unboxing. I recently placed an order, actually 2 orders, at one of my favorite online quilt shop fabric stores, and some of the things that I got are brand new to their shop, and so I thought it'd be fun to share them with you today. I know I enjoy seeing videos like this, seeing what other people are buying and things that, you know, different fabrics and things, or notions and tools that they're adding to their sewing room or whatever. And so I thought I would just share with you what I ordered from Fat Quarter Shop. This video is not sponsored in any way. I just thought it would be a fun one that you guys might enjoy seeing. So one of the newest lines of fabric that I was super excited to get my hands on is called Hometown, and it is by Holt. Riley Blake Designs is the maker of the fabric, but this collection is made by Holt. So I got the Fat Quarter bundle, which has, when I saw them talking about this fabric and I saw all the different patterns laid out, I just could not believe how beautiful each of them were. I love every single one, so I am so excited to make some different projects and things with this. I'm thinking I'm gonna try some pretty intricate blocks and see if I can put a really big quilt together, maybe the biggest I've ever done. My idea is to basically cut all the pieces out and have them ready, and then when I'm able, come up here and get a little bit of sewing done here and there in between all the busyness of motherhood and a farm, and we're getting ready to start homeschooling back and that kind of a thing. So just finding little pockets to sew and get this done, and just kind of enjoying the journey and the process and not just rushing through it to finish the project. So excited to add this to my fabric stash. The next thing is the same. It's Hometown by Holt, but I got a jelly roll. I just love working with jelly rolls. I love the different quilts and things that you can make with them. I love that it kind of shortcuts the process a little bit, and so I definitely wanted to grab a jelly roll. And I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to make with it yet, but I am super excited to have it, and my mind is going. I'm trying to think. I'm figuring it out what I'm gonna make with this. The next fun thing that I got is a pack. It's called Holt Background Builder, and it's a Fat Quarter bundle, and it's just a bunch of background fabrics. So now that I have a nice big stack of all these really beautiful printed fabrics, I also wanted to have some on hand for backgrounds. So I thought this kit, it was called Background Builder, which I thought was perfect, exactly like what I need. So it's just light colors. There are some patterns, or there are patterns on it, but they're made to be used as background in quilt blocks and things like that. So I thought that would be perfect for me, just to kind of like build up my stash. The next super fun thing, so this is called Hometown Quilt Seeds Neighbor. So this is block kit number 4. I believe this is I believe these kits are put together at Fat Quarter Shop. So you might be able to get this. You might be able to get the pattern at another place, but I believe Fat Quarter Shop is the one who actually put together these kits. So you don't have to buy all the pieces separate or the yardage separately. You can actually just buy it all in one kit. So I really wanted to get more of these, but it looks pretty challenging, as you can see, and I want to make sure that I can handle it and do a good job on it before I go and buy a bunch of these. So this is super neat. So first of all, look how cute this little packaging is, and it's made to be like reusable. And I think it would be cute, like a cute little decoration too. I think they said it's supposed to look like a seed packet. So inside is the, well, first of all, there's nine of these different house blocks to choose from, which is so fun. I really hope I can figure out how to do this so I can get some more of these. And I'm not going to show too much of the pattern and everything, but it gives you the pattern, tells you all the cuts to make, And then of course the instructions on how to put it all together. All the fabric came with it. So it's not pre-cut for you, but they said that it's like more fabric than you need, so you have a little bit left over. But I just thought these prints were so beautiful. Again, this is what it's gonna look like, hopefully. I thought it would make such a cute quilt hanging, so I plan to put it together, maybe put a border on it, and then bind it and everything just like a quilt, but have it be just for hanging on the wall somewhere. I just think it's so adorable. So such cute fabrics. Very, very excited about that one. All right, just 3 more things. So this one's not nearly as cute, but just functional. This is a Creative Grids ruler. It is 8 inches by 8 inches. So just a nice square that I can use for all sorts of things. I've already been using it and I've only had it a couple days. And then I got this Creative Grids ruler. I think this one's 15 inches long, and it helps you can mark diagonal lines with it, and then 1/4 inch lines. So when you're working on diagonals or doing half square triangles, things like that, it comes in handy for things like that. And last but not least is this book by Lori Holt. I believe it's newer. It's called Scrappiness is Happiness. Again, by Lori Holt of Bee in My Bonnet. And this is a book all about how she uses her scraps in the most beautiful ways. She talks about how she stores her scraps, and the projects in here are amazing and so cute. I love the kind of the scrappy quilts that look real vintage. That's why I was drawn to this Hometown collection, because I felt like they looked like vintage fabrics, which I loved. So anyway, I am very excited about this. I think there's this cute pumpkin quilt. There was this really pretty star one, this apple one that I love. There was a star one too that really caught my eye, and she has a video on how to do it on her channel, and I really want to do it. This one was super cool. What's it called? Crossroads quilt. There's a Santa one. Let me see. This crisscross star block. This is the one that really got my attention, and I was like, yes, I want to learn how to make that. I think it's gonna be maybe what I use a lot of this fabric for. So we'll see. Stay tuned. I'll keep you guys posted. But that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you have seen this new collection out. What do you think of it? And if you'd like to see maybe a sew along or something like that of putting this neighbor house block together, let me know down in the comments if you would like to see that. All right, thanks so much for watching this video today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.